ハイパースピードメディア。
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This episode I'm going to explain a little bit about the car that I just finally built and talk a little bit about Miata the Gap. Alright, so the car is pretty much complete for Miata the Gap. I built a roof rack right here, a bash bar, put some lights, all that good stuff to make it up and running for Miata the Gap. So hopefully I'll see you there. As you can see, the trunk also has a trunk rack. This trunk rack is made by Squirrel Mod. A cool guy that in Europe that designed this and shipped it to me. You can see right here is the antenna for the CB radio. And also I swapped out tail lights. The tail light is a one-off tail light that was custom made and I installed it a while back in my other NB, but for now I'm going to take this to Miata Gap. It's really cool. And install LED lights on the license plate. Okay, so as you see on the roll bar here, I had a fire extinguisher with a quick release. So that's really good just in case something goes down or we have a fire extinguisher. All right, coming to the interior, as you can see right here, I got a little radio that's good for Miata the Gap because there's no cellular connection over there. So it's good to have one of these. And I found this on the Amazon, and it's really cool because you have all the frequency that you could adjust manually and also all the different channels. So this is really good. Okay, now coming to the front here, as you can see, I put some cube LED lighting to the front top of the roof rack, and these lighting are made by PIAA. They sent it to me a couple years back. I finally had a car to put it on, so this is really cool. Good sponsor, and that's about it really. So I wanted to make a rear bash bar too, but we're crunching time, so we didn't have enough time to make that. So coming to the front of the car, I made this bash bar already. It's a quick disconnect. It could be disconnected from the front right here. And also there's another bash bar inside here, so it's kind of like double protection. Also made a custom winch mount right here too with the generic LED on the front. That's about it for the front, but also this bash bar, the reason why I had it outside, because I could use this as a camera mount. So I'm gonna put a gimbal system right on the front of the car and put a camera mount right here. All right, guys, I hope to see you at Miata the Gap. We're bringing this car over there. If you see this car, hit me up because I'm going to be filming there as well. If you got a really unique build or something cool you want to show off your car, hit me up. I'll be at Miata the Gap. The next video will be about the truck or Miata the Gap content. So we're going to continue building the truck, getting everything tidy up. But if anything, we'll see you in the next video.
ハイパースピードメディア。